Hey guys, it's me, Sunset Elf. Today we're going to be learning about matter. So, you're thinking, did you know that matter has properties? So, the properties of matter is solid, liquid, and gas. So, here's kind of an example of solid. So, you might be walking down, and you see a little rock. As you might know, that rock is solid. Now this is a liquid. Liquid is like, well, if you liquid is something that takes up space. And so if you pour water into a cup, you see that if you do it all the way to the top, it will spill. So that's a little bit about liquid. Now what is gas? Gas is something you can't see. It's invisible. And so let's think of gas being not what you think it is. See, gas can be air and all different kinds of things. Stuff that can blow a flower, can blow your hair, or something that even blows when you don't even see it. Now, enough about the properties. Let's talk about what are the definitions of matter. Okay, so liquid would technically be something that takes up space. If you pour water into a cup, you can see that if you pour all the way to the top, it will run out. That's because it took up space. Now, solid, it's hard to explain. Solid, you can see it, but also it's hard. You can't break it. Well, you're gonna have to use something like a solid to break it. If you want to break it, you could use something that is solid and something that probably weighs the max amount. But gas is something you cannot see. It's invisible, so technically you can't do anything with it. So you might see gas is all around you right now. So that be called air. Air is gas and it's around you all the time. So if someone says you don't matter, make sure to say that, well, technically matter does matter. I told them Sunset said so.